Happy Thursday! I'm Tristan Winder in the News 2 streaming studio here for a December 18th windy edition of the Morning Pulse. More coming up on that here in just a couple of moments. As for right now, cold and flu season, of course, in full force. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention report that flu season often peaks between December and February, with the current 2025-2026 season showing increasing activity. In addition to influenza viruses, several other respiratory viruses are also spreading during the flu season and can cause symptoms similar to those seen with flu infection.
Particularly influenza A, and even COVID, we're seeing an increase in positive lab tests. And really that aligns with the same numbers that we're seeing across the state with those increases.
That's West Central District Health Department Director Megan Trevino. In statewide news today, the Attorney Generals for Nebraska and Iowa announcing the settlement with Menards over the home improvement store's 11% rebate promotions. Mike Hilgers and Brianna Bird say the settlement resolves claims that Menards incorrectly marketed the program. Part of the agreement, the company will pay Iowa $446,000 and Nebraska is set to receive $231,000. Attorney generals from several other Midwestern states joined with this settlement as well. Menards also agreed to let customers submit rebate claims at least once a year, or at least 1 year after the date of the purchase. The company will also make changes to its online rebate tracker for better transparency as well. The mayor of Mitchell charged Tuesday following a state audit conducted by Nebraska State Auditor Mike Foley in September. According to an arrest affidavit, Paul Murrell, 59, of Mitchell, was charged in Scottsbluff County Court with theft by unlawful taking up to $1,500 and $4,099, theft by unlawful taking of up to $500, public official misuse of property funds, willfully hindering an audit or exam of an official misconduct. Murrell is also accused of routinely using municipal equipment and employees along with other resources for his own benefit. The unauthorized use of public resources for personal financial gain is against Nebraska law. APA said in a September press release. Here's State Auditor Mike Foley.
And these people need to be held to a higher standard if they have access to the public assets and so forth. They should be held to a higher standard to make sure that they're not abusing the privileges of office.
Powerball's jackpot is approaching its highest of the year. No winning ticket was drawn yesterday, meaning the jackpot has risen to an estimated $1.5 billion. The record for this year is nearly $1.7 billion. The next Powerball drawing is set to take place this coming Saturday. Lastly, today, looking at that 7-day outlook, we have another breezy one in for us today, but these wind gusts today are no joke. We saw some strong ones yesterday, but these ones prompting our team of meteorologists across the state of Nebraska to issue a weather alert day. There were some wind gusts reported near 70 miles an hour over in Lexington today, according to one of our meteorologists out of central Nebraska. Also today, the high wind warning in effect from the North Platte National Weather Service office. Wind gusts greater than 65 miles an hour possible this evening, along with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. A cold front will surge southeast across the area late this evening as well. A full line of winds expected to really kind of diminish early this afternoon, but they are continuing in a strong force here yet this morning. We had the Christmas tree display in downtown North Platte. That got knocked over. We'll have video on that later today here on air and online. And then a number of trees uprooted across the community along with power outages. This wind is no joke, folks, so definitely take precautions today, especially for those commuting with high-profile vehicles. Still going to be a breezy day for us tomorrow, but not nearly as dangerous as what we're experiencing today, and temperatures warming about 20 degrees.